Hi, here I am again with another unboxing. Today I believe this should be the Gopro Silver, and it should have the adventure kit with it. So let's get into this. Nicely protected. That's it. Gotta have a couple. So satisfying. So, get into this. I got the adventure kit as well, which we'll unbox in a separate video. So, let's put that over. Here is the GoPro Hero 7 Silver 10 megapixel camera, 4K 30 frames per second, up to 33 feet or 10 meters. Same, you can speak to it, super slow mo ×2, touchscreen, GPS and WDR. And get the app, which I have on my phone, but I won't be showing that in this video. What you get in the box. So yeah, let's get into it. Nice little whole thing. It's cool. GoPro on the side. How to disconnect it. GoPro, yeah. So let's just disconnect it. If I can actually figure it out. Alright, so to take it off, you lift up this rubbery bit and then you push these in, push it forward. There's that. There's the actual GoPro. Looks really nice. GoPro branding there as well. So let's see what else we get. Open it up. We get GoPro Plus, telling you about the app, how to get it out of the case, how to insert SIM card, charge it, the modes, and how to attach it to other stuff. Plus, which I won't be doing about. Have any questions? 2 GoPro stickers. Really nice. What else? We have user booklet. That'll be fun to read later. This section we have some more clips with some 3M adhesive. Slightly curved as well. You can make that out. So you get 2 of those, slightly different. We get the cable with GoPro on there and on there. Really nice. And that is it in the box. So, that's it. And obviously I won't be able to do any of the things it says because weakling. There we go. So there's the case. Put that down. Has this little lever bit. Like that. Proper sturdy. The actual thumb screw to attach it. Little remove logo on there. And then just takes off. I'm guessing you just do the same to put it onto other stuff. So, like that. And on the edge of this, it actually has the power mode button there. Cutouts look very nice. And here is the GoPro without thing. GoPro logo there. Here, 7 silver there. Microphone. The mode button. Microphone again. The record button. And if I can get this off. That's so satisfying. And there's actually a GoPro logo there. And a little light indicator there. And I believe that is one as well. Slide the door, press the button in, pull it, lift it up with a pop. There's your micro USB-C port and the micro SD card slot. Really nice. Yeah. There is the GoPro. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. That's what you get in it. Hope you enjoyed.